Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the topic probability. Probability. Probability and some definitions regarding probability. Okay. So usually probability means number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay. Subscribe my YouTube channel Explore Maths with Abdul Azim Sir. Share it with your friends and relatives. Now let us begin the topic. Probability is an important branch of mathematics that deals with the phenomenon of chance or randomness. Probability is a measure of uncertainty, means probability means a chance. Historically, the theory of probability has its origin to gambling and games of chances. Okay. Now let us see the definitions. Random experiment or trial. So what is this? An experiment that can be repeated any number of times under identical conditions. All possible outcomes of the experiment are known in advance, and the actual outcome in a particular case is not known in advance. This is called random experiment or trial. For example, flicking a coin. In advance we know the all outcomes, tail and head, but the actual outcome, what it will come, we don't know. So this is the meaning of random experiment. Next definition, event. So any possible outcome of a random experiment epsilon is called an elementary or simple event. Okay. A subset of E of S is called an event. Okay. Next, sample space. Sample space. The set of all elementary events, outcomes, that is all outcomes of a random experiment, this one is called sample space. All outcomes. For example, coin. What are the outcomes? Head and tail. If a die is there, we have 6 faces. So all outcomes we know, that is called sample space. Okay. Note, an event E is said to be happen or occur if an outcome of the experiment belongs to E. Otherwise we say that E has not happened or not occurred. Okay. Next, complementary event. The complement of an event E denoted by E complement E power of C given by E power of C is equal to S minus E. Okay. And A union B is equal to S and A intersection B is equal to null set. Next definition, impossible event. So the empty set phi and the set S being trivial subsets of S are events called impossible events and certain definite even of respectively. Impossible. Okay. Now next, mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive. If A intersection B is equal to null set, if this is happen, it is known as mutually exclusive, that is disjoint. Next, equally likely. Equally likely means two or more events are said to be equally likely. Okay. Or equipossible if there is no reason to expect any one of them to happen in preference to the others. Suppose a coin, we know that true tail and head, but our preference is head. Okay. This is likely, maybe chances. Okay. Next, exhaustive event. Exhaustive event. Two or more events are said to be exhaustive if the performance of the experiment always results in the occurrence of the at least one of them. This event E1, E2, Ek are exhaustive. Okay. Any two or more events, and all E1 union E2 union all union is equal to Ek is equal to S, means all sample space. Next, probability. Classical definition. What is the probability of classical definition? If a random experiment results in non-exhaustive, mutually exclusive and equally likely elementary events, and m of them are favorable of the happening of the event E, then probability of occurrence E denoted by P of E is denoted by P of E is equal to m by n, means favorable outcome by total outcome. Okay. So another definition is P of E is equal to limit n tends to infinity r n is equal to L. Okay. You have to remember some properties. Sum of all properties is 1, that is P of S is equal to 1. Next, P of E greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and E1 intersection E2 equal to null. If E1 intersection E2 is equal to null set, then P of E1 union E2 is equal to P of E1 plus P of E2. Okay. Next definition, addition theorem of probability. Addition theorem of probability is P of E1 union E2 is equal to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. Okay. Now some set theoretical descriptions of various events useful in solving problems on probability. Just see, these are the events and set theoretical description. For example, event A or means union, event A or event B to occur, that is A union B, or is there union. Both event A and, see here, this is and. Okay, so and is there, it means intersection, or is there, it means union. Okay. Next, neither A or nor B occurs, means A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Next, A occurs but B does not occur, means A intersection B complement or A by B. Next, exactly one of the event A comma B to occur, that is we can use A intersection B complement union A complement intersection B, or A minus B union B minus A, or A union B minus A intersection B. All three definition will exactly one of the event to occur. Next, not more than one of the events A B occur, means A intersection B complement union A complement intersection B union A complement intersection B complement. Last, event B occurs whenever A occur, so A subset are equal to B. Okay. Next definition, conditional event. Conditional. Suppose A and B are two events of a random experiment. Happening of B after the happening of A is called conditional event B by A. Condition, suppose if you toss the coin, then only head or tail is there, so this is condition. Okay. And same, happening of A after B denoted by A by B, this is conditional event. Now conditional probability. Okay. If A and B are two events of a sample space S and P of A not equal to 0, then the probability B after the event A has occurred is called the conditional probability of B. Okay, denoted by P B by A. So the formula will be P B by A is equal to P of B intersection A by P of A, where P of A not equal to 0, and P A by B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. Condition is P by B, P of B not equal to 0. Now next definition, multiplication theorem of probability. Multiplication theorem of probability. So P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B by A, or P of B into P of A by B. Next, independent event. If P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B, this is called independent event. Okay. Next, independent event we have seen. Now Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem, this is a very important question. If E1, E2 up to En are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events of a random experiment with P of Ei greater than 0 for I is equal to 1 to n, then this is the definition. P of Ek by A is equal to P of Ek into P of A by Ek by sigma I is equal to 1 to n P of Ei into P of A by Ei, where k is equal to 1 to n. So these are the definitions useful in the chapter probability, and moreover some useful information you must know that in a week there are 7 days, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In a year 365 days means 52 week plus 1 day. Here there is a special year known as leap year. Here we have 366 days. Okay, 366 days means 52 week plus 2 days. So when will be leap year occur? For every 4 years leap year occurs, that is 29th February extra 1 day. Okay. Next, coin. A coin has 2 faces, head and tail. Next, a die, like this. So a dice or die has 6 faces. Okay. Next, cards. So in a pack of cards there are 52 cards, 26 black, 26 red, 26 black, 26 red. Among these black, 13 are club, 13 club and 13 spade, 13 club, 13 spade. And among red, 13 are diamond, 13 are heart. Okay, so it means we have 4 things: club, spade, diamond, heart. Okay. Next, other cards are king, K, queen, Q, jack, J, ace, A. King, queen, jack, ace, and 2, 3. Not number 1 is not there. So 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Okay, and all are of 4 types, means king, club, spade, diamond, heart. So 4. Queen will be present in club, spade, diamond, heart. Jack will be present in 1 club, spade, diamond, heart. That's why all 4 types. If something is there, suit means club, spade, diamond, heart. Note, A does not occurs means A complement, and it can be written as minus A is equal to intersection A complement, or A minus B is equal to A intersection B complement. Okay. Now these are the topics regarding probability. Again I am telling you, subscribe my YouTube channel Explore Maths with Abdul Azim sir. Share it with your friends and relatives. That's all.